So here we have some questions, and it's looking at some statements and which one's the correct one. So we're looking at the pictures to help us work out the answer. So it says, take the sentences that describes the groups below. Now remember, if we look at the statements, it says there are 5 equal groups with 3 in each group. So there are 5 equal groups. Now remember, with looking at how many groups there are first, there are 1, 2, 3 groups. So it's not 5 equal groups, it's 3 equal groups, and there is 5 in each group. In each group. Okay, it may give you the same answer, these two. However, we are looking at the sentences, the statements. They have to be correct. It has to match the picture. So it's 3 equal groups with 5 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to check if they are equal. So we know that's 5. Looking at that, that is 5 as well, because it looks the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct answer is B. The next questions we are looking at matching the pictures to the correct statement or the correct group number. Okay, so these are the pictures, these are the statements. Which one of these goes with this one, and this one? So we have 2 groups of 4. Alright, and then we look at the pictures. Here we have 1, 2, 3 groups, so it's not that one. 2 groups of 4, 1, 2. We've got 2 groups there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 groups of 4 goes with the donuts. 3 groups of 3. Now we can see that they both have 3 groups. But how many is in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not that one. 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups of 3 goes with this one. And obviously 3 groups of 5 goes with this one. But if we want to check, we've got 3 groups. 1, 2, 3 of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 groups of 5. 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 3. Have a go at this question now. These groups are equal. True or false? Explain how you know. Look at the pictures. How many is in each group? When we're doing a true or false and we're explaining our answer, we have to have some sentences. So can you pause the video and have a go at that question now? So let's have a think about the answer. The answer is true. These groups are both equal. There are 6 stars in each group. Now, you might have thought, they look different, they're not the same. But if you actually think about the amount that's in there, there are 6 in each group. There are 2 groups. They're equal. So it's true. We then have questions like this. How can you make the groups equal? If we were to look at this and try and make these groups equal, you may think, right, well, we've got 6 over here and we've got 4 over here. So why don't I just add 2 groups here? We can't do that. It might be a good idea to look at how many teddy bears you have. So we have 6 here and 4 here. Ooh, that's a number bond to 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. We have 10 altogether, and we need to share them between two groups. If we had our 10 fingers up and we sort of move them apart into two groups, we would have 5 on each side. So you could move one bear from the group over here to the group on the right. This will make two equal groups of 5. This question, these groups are equal. True or false? Looking at them, there are 4 coins here, 3 coins here, so they are unequal. It's false. One group shows 4 stars, the other group shows 3 stars. What could we do to make these equal? Have a think. What could we do? Pause the video. Well, we could remove 1 star away from group 1, so take one of these away, so then they both have 3, or add 1 star to group 2, so you just add 1 here, so then you'd both groups would have 4 in. Okay. Can you have a go at the questions now, please?